Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Anissa Aska Jahara. In here, I would like to present about company profile. Have you ever heard about products like Wardah, Emina, Cow, or like Makeover? Yes, that's all about product from company Paragon Technology Innovation. And who is the founder of the Paragon Technology Innovation? The founder of the technology and innovation is a woman. Is that cool, right? Because in Indonesia, very seldom have the founder woman. And who is the founder? Founder is Nurhayati Subakat. Nurhayati Subakat, a pharmacy graduate from ITB or Institute Technology Bandung. And Paragon was established on 28 February 1995. And the Paragon first name is Tradisi Ibu. And then after that, Nurhayati Subakat started with a small business, and the first product is the shampoo, and the name is Putri. And after that is the visions and the value. The vision is the value of the PT Paragon is not only just about business success, but about goodness, innovations, humanity, greed, and then fight in war. And after that, the mission of Paragon. Mission the Paragon is dedicated to developing employer Paragonians, educations, and public health. And then, employer of Paragonians. Paragonians started with only 2 Paragonians, and then over the time, Paragonians growing significantly, and then after that, now Paragonians have 10,000 employees. And then the product of Paragonians, the first is Makeover. Makeover is targeting of urban and professional makeup. And next is Emina, because Emina the target is to teenagers, because the first Emina is like cheerful and the first. And the third is the Wardah, because Wardah is most popular product in Paragon. And the next is finance report. Finance report of Paragon. Paragon net income market of Paragon increases 2022 and 2024 because meaning is Paragon helps self improvement year by year. And then reasons why I choose Paragon. I choose Paragon not only because Paragon is most popular and top companies in Indonesia. But also I choose Paragon. I very inspired deeply with the founder, because the founder is the Muslimah, and then the founder is deeply and strongly with the Islamic values and the integrity and the empower women. And in the Paragon, I aspire with the staff finance, because my background is finance. And wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah.